Experiencing activation problems with your Cricket wireless service? Activation issues typically manifest as activation not working messages during SIM card insertion, device setup, or network registration. Setup errors occur during initial device configuration, often caused by outdated software or incompatible devices. Ensure the device is unlocked and compatible with Cricket's GSM bands, specifically bands 12 and 17. Carrier errors are tied to network-side problems, such as authentication failures or roaming issues. It is key to verify the SIM's validity and check for blacklisted devices using Cricket's IMEI checker tool. By understanding these errors, you are one step closer to solving your issue. Here are some fundamental fixes to resolve Cricket wireless activation issues. First, restart your device. Power cycling clears temporary glitches. Second, check your SIM card and ensure it is properly seated. Use a SIM eject tool to remove and reinsert it. Next, verify your network settings. Manually set the APN to Endo for data and disable Wi-Fi calling if it's incompatible. Update your device's operating system and the Cricket app to the latest versions to patch any bugs. If the activation issues persist after trying these steps, use Cricket's online portal or chat support for remote diagnostics.